So everyone already know on my channel that I'm kind of obsessed with smart glasses. Those smart glasses could be with camera like Snapchat Spectacles, or a different one with, let's say, speakers. Here you can see one speaker inside the frame, and that's incredible that is even possible. I was even thinking about mixing those two smart glasses together, so I would have ultimate spectacles with camera and also speakers, which already Facebook made. But those Facebook glasses aren't for me because I like as wide as possible field of view. When I'm on my skateboard, spectacles for me are like dashcam for a car, like I said before in my other videos. When I'm recording, I really want to have everything, literally everything, what I'm seeing on my video, which is impossible with Ray-Ban collaboration with Facebook. So hard to say, but Facebook is also making different kind of glasses. What I'm saying is Oculus, Meta Quest 2. Maybe when Metaverse will start, we'll see, let's say, event of Meta Quest Pro. Some kind of event inside of Metaverse, of new version of those glasses. Who knows? This is my speculations that I just made right now, but we'll see. For now, let's open this bad boy. It's 128 gigabytes of storage, and from what I know, FOV is a little bit less than 100 degrees, which we'll see how I would like this. And also another thing, there's also 6 gigabytes of RAM, from what I know. Maybe that's not true, I'm not really sure. All I know is that I still remember all days when I was trying some roller coaster on my iPhone 3GS that I put inside something with lenses. And this is the day that I bought actually glasses with lenses and screen inside, processor and everything else, cameras. God damn, this is gonna be crazy. This is really gonna be something I still can't imagine. We'll see if I will like it though. So let's got it right here. Whoop. Those are games for Oculus Quest, and I'm not really sure, but they might be free, which is interesting. And my friend told me that maybe if the game is free, I still might need to buy something inside the game. I think this is gonna be for Beat Saber. That's what I think. Okay, maybe too much talking. Let's take this part. Okay. Wow. I mean, I already feel like I paid less than I should for this kind of unboxing. Like, look at this. Look at this, like, for real? Okay, let me see. Yeah, here you can see probably some glasses on this paper. It's kind of like adapter or something that I need to put onto Oculus Quest. Glasses that are like 3mm in thickness will work. So here's the Oculus Quest. It's gonna look maybe something like this on my face. From what I see, I need to peel off this part. I took this paper off, and now you can see here USB-C and also jack 3.5mm, and here is something else, the button and light, and 4 cameras actually on all of the sides. I'm kind of wondering how it will work when I'm having Oculus like this. How Oculus X is seeing, let's say, my hand here when there's no camera. I don't know, those might be very wide cameras. That's what I'm hoping, at least. And I'm also hoping I'm not gonna see any lines. Here is something like this. I believe this is new, and yeah, I'm not really sure what is it for. Yeah, I can see something right here. Let's say on the bottom there's like some gap, so I can still see everything here. This is gonna be great for learning how to play piano, let's say. And I just realized there's volume plus and minus. Here's the controller with the 2 buttons. They're working much better than I saw in Best Buy. You can see stick and also 2 buttons, and maybe this is like some touch sensitive button, let's say, or something. And probably here around this plastic are some IR blasters or something that Quest is seeing. And also a 3rd button here, and I feel like this is very comfortable, like very comfortable. And yeah, I'm holding it actually, and yeah, maybe playing with it. Yeah, yeah, maybe it's tough enough for me. Right, there is actually something else inside the box, so let's open it with one hand, if I can do it. Alright, here other part, and you can see there is USB Type-C and also power brick, and it is 10 watts. So that's it for this video. If you're interested how I'm gonna react for using the Quest, then yeah, see you in another video that's gonna be after this one. So if you're enjoying that video with the unboxing, go watch other video when I'm actually trying the Oculus. Thank you for watching, and see you, I hope so, in this another video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel please, and yeah, bye bye.